Hey everybody, so now you got a wood shop and your dust collection is probably not the best, which we all start out from something. So I started out with the shop vac, and everybody knows that the filter gets plugged up with dust because it's a singular system. So to get a way around that, you need a secondary system to where everything collects in something other than the shop vac. And the best solution that I found was the Cyclone. I'm sure you've seen these all over the internet. This one's like a knockoff from the Dust Deputy. It's like 20 bucks. Unfortunately, yeah, it's made in China, but it's pretty simple. So it comes with the Cyclone and 4 bolts. All you do is take a 5-gallon bucket. Any 5-gallon bucket will do. And a lid is very helpful. Otherwise you can't do it without the lid. And the gasket that it comes with, you just trace out on the top of your lid, cut the hole out, drill the 4 holes for the bolts, bolt it all together, and just stick it on top like so. So mine was like a paint bucket, and I like it with the spout, so you actually be able to check it periodically. You can look in there to see how full it is. So now I'm going to hook up the hoses. We're going to suck up some dust, and we'll check out our bin. Hold tight. Okay, so we got all our connections on. The one from the shop vac goes right in the top. And then whatever tool you're using will go in the other spot right here. One thing I don't like is when it's empty, this thing likes to tip over because of the weight of the hoses. So you can put anything on top of it to keep it from, like another bucket of stuff or something, until it gets full. So now we'll suck up some dust and we'll show you the results.
out before we started.
Okay, so that's what's left in our bucket, which looks like it got pretty much everything. Now we'll go over to the shop vac. Nothing, basically nothing, just a little dust. And that's what we want. And there you have it. The whole reason that the original system gets plugged up is because there's really nowhere else for the dust and debris to go. So we incorporate a second system with the Cyclone, and it eliminates your problem. Down and dirty, 20-30 bucks, takes you 10 minutes. I hope this was enough information for you. And don't forget, check out our merch store, get you a coffee mug. Again, I'm Dan from American Woodsmith. See you next time.